If you want to eject the SIM tray from OPPO Reno 15 Pro, but you don't have the SIM eject tool, then you can use pretty much anything that resembles the eject tool. Now, the best option is going to be a paperclip because it is thin enough usually that you can fit into this hole. It is also sturdy and it is also straight. Now, these are the three criteria that must be met if you want to use something else to eject the SIM tray. So a paperclip is a great example because you can unfold a small paperclip so one end is straight. You can press it gently into the SIM eject hole and then you press it until the SIM tray pops out. You can also use an earring post, like if you have like a plain metal stud earring without a hook or decorative end, then you can probably use it as well. You just want to make sure that the post is clean and straight, of course. And also you want to insert and to gently press into the SIM tray hole. Besides that, a sewing needle or pin, if they are thin enough that they fit the SIM tray hole, then you can use them as well. You want to hold it steady, of course, and press straight in. You want to avoid angled pressure. Also, if you have a mechanical pencil, if you retract the lead, for example, then it might work as well. However, you want to be careful because plastic tips can break. You should avoid using toothpicks, especially wooden toothpicks or wooden sticks, because wood is generally speaking not so durable. I mean, a thin wood, of course, like a toothpick, and it can break easily if you apply a little bit of pressure, and we don't want to really do that. And also, like a safety pin with rounded ends will not work as well. Any screws or nails, you want to avoid them. Anything thick or blunt is not going to work. So once you find anything that is thin enough so it can fit into this hole, and then also straight enough and also durable, then you should be able to put it into this hole over here and then push it into the phone so that the SIM tray pops out. Afterwards, you want to, of course, remove the SIM tray completely from the phone, so you can use your fingernails, for example, or fingers, and then you can just insert your cards and then put the SIM tray back into the phone. Just slide it in all the way with your fingers. Let's see. There we go. And make sure that it is fully in and it doesn't stick out. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.